Welcome. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to add the Chrome Password Manager shortcut to your home screen so you can access your saved passwords faster than ever. This method works with the latest version of Google Chrome, and it only takes a minute to set up. First, open the Google Chrome app on your device. Make sure you're signed into your Google account since your saved passwords are linked to it. Next, tap the three dots in the top right corner of your screen. This opens the Chrome menu, the one with all your options and settings. From this menu, scroll down and select Settings. Once you're inside the Settings menu, scroll until you find Password Manager and tap on it. This is where Chrome keeps all your saved logins and passwords securely stored. Now, look toward the bottom right corner of the Password Manager screen. You'll see a small settings icon. Go ahead and tap that. This will open up some additional options for your Password Manager. Here comes the key step. Tap on Add Shortcut to your screen. Chrome will show a small pop-up asking you to confirm. Just tap Add and you're done. A new shortcut icon for Chrome Password Manager will instantly appear on your home screen.